Hi, John here. In this video I will talk about why responding to your Facebook ad comments brutally increase your conversion rate, decrease your refund and chargebacks, and also bring you tons of additional cash organically. Okay, so why comments are so important, right? And why you should totally respond to them? Well, comments are super important because first, social, proof, because if you have tons of comments and well, you're constantly speaking with people, then those comments basically are seen by other people as well, right? So more conversation you have there, the more legit you look and more trust you will have from those potential customers, right? Because sometimes people will not even read your ad, right? But they will always read those comments, right? So they will read what other people say, what responded, and sometimes, for example, if somebody will say, I had this problem, I used this product, it solved it, it will also solve it for 50,000 other people who will see that ad, right? So just that will kind of make them, to want to buy. So that's why it's super important. There is another thing, and that's connected to algorithm. It completely, decreases CPM, right? Because once you start opening conversation with people in comments, then these people will spend more time on Facebook, right? And Facebook really wants it. So it doesn't matter if you are responding to negative comments or positive comments, all of them basically will keep that person more on Facebook longer time, right? So Facebook will automatically think, okay, so this ad is interesting. It has tons of engagement. People are spending time, responding, liking, sharing things. So it's always great ad. I will just push it to more people. That means that you will start making way more money, right? For small investment. So really engaging with those comments and trying to open conversation with people just really increase your conversion rate. And also it decreases your chargeback and refund rate, because a lot of people will sometimes come to comment something about a product that didn't work, right? You can immediately start talking with the person inside of the thread of those comments, hide it so only that person will see it, and basically you will immediately explain them what's happening, how you can solve it, solve the refund, solve the chargeback, and in itself will just save you tons of money. Another thing is that you can upsell products, right? So what we do is that every time when somebody posts a comment, doesn't matter if they, for example, say that, okay, so I already have something like this, it's awesome, but they don't have something directly from us, right? What we do is that we ask them, okay, so you bought this, right? Did you take it with you on a trip, or where did you take it? How you travel with it, or whatever, right? And we already ask them about their life, which nobody does, right? And that person immediately responds, oh yeah, I took it on this trip, right? And we were with husband, right? With our dog, and it helped us so much. We were going there and there, right? And then you will ask them more about that story. And once you are in that conversation, what you do is that you will upsell them some other product that is companion to that product that you are talking about, right? And because the person already have some connection with you, emotional, because you actually care about them and care about their life, they are more likely to pull a trigger, and you basically immediately created completely new sale, which is a pure profit that would normally not happen. I mean, yeah, you did it manually, but it took you 1 minute and you basically created another sale. So this way we are actually, upselling products, and this is same thing when other people will come to that post and see that conversation that you actually did together with that person and read it, and maybe they will pull a trigger on that upsell that you actually offer there. So whatever you do in those comments stays there and other people immediately see it. So that's why it makes sense to build this conversation, because more and more people, once you run traffic there, right, and you start scaling, will be coming to those comments and read all these conversations and be more likely to buy. It just increases, right? It increases the trust in them. They just want something what other people have. And if you really doing these long real conversations that are raw, right? Then they look legit from legit people, then it's more likely that ad will be successful because all of that. So I hope this video helped, and if you still didn't download my Facebook Ad Launch Guide for e-commerce, definitely do it. I wrote it for e-commerce owners. And doesn't matter if you are e-commerce owner who literally want to launch ad for your store, right? Because you want more sales, you want to have that predictable income, or you are a person who already run the agency and just to want to know if that agency is actually doing great job, not really like failing you and keeping your results down, then definitely download that book, because we literally have their like specific strategies, like step by step how we go from zero and scale to $50,000 in profitable ad spend per day, or for example when we actually stop ads, so we are actually not scaling losses and we are always keep our promotion in profit, and how to actually track things, right? So you are getting like a real legit data, and you're not making decisions based on fake data, which are kind of like happening after ES 14, right? So definitely download the book, because it's not like some dirty lead generation, like content. It's like a real deal, right? So download it till it's still free, and I'll be looking forward to speaking with you in my next video. And if you like my videos, definitely subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. So thank you very much and have a great day. Bye.